right, Math 1, final benchmark, number 18. A family travels 620 miles to visit grandparents over the holidays. If the family travels 70 miles the first hour and 55 miles each hour after the first, which formula best represents the distance that the family has left after h hours to travel if h, your number of hours, is greater than 1? All right, so the first hour we traveled 70 miles, and then it became a constant rate after that. So let's do 620 minus the 70, and that's going to give us 550 miles. And we know the 550 miles we're going to travel at an average rate of 55 miles per hour. All right, so let's see which formula best represents this. All right, so the distance traveled after h hours, that's what our d of h represents, equals, well, 620 means that they're all at a constant rate, and we know that the first hour they went 70 miles an hour instead of 55 miles an hour. So we can eliminate the first two just based on the 620. All right, so we've got 550 miles minus 55 miles per hour minus the first hour, because we did 70 miles the first hour. So the best formula here for this scenario is A. So number 18 is A.